Hey everybody, this is Donald, and this video is a unboxing of my new camera equipment. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I am definitely a little geeked out, a little excited about this box for sure. It's been a long time coming. Been really thinking about getting back into photography, along with all my other stuff I got going on, but gonna definitely squeeze in some time and get back to my original hobby, taking pictures. I love taking videos. It's great, it's fun, but I also enjoyed really taking pictures, so I'm really excited. I won this off eBay. It's not new. I got a super great deal, and I just got this today. It's the 3rd of July, and right out of the box, I'm going to be going shooting fireworks photos, pictures with it. So wish me luck with that. I've been doing a little bit of studying, so hopefully it pays off, and I'll share those with you. But right now, I'm just so sorry, guys. I'm just really excited about this. Get this opened. I said that I'm really excited, so see what we got here. I'm kind of off camera on the box probably. That's all good. Let's see. My old man glasses on here. See, you got a note. Thank you, Donald. Hope to do business with you again. Contact me with any questions. Ryan. I'm going to send Ryan a link to this video, and maybe he'll watch it. So, alrighty, let's see what we got here. Bubble wrap. Keep stuff protected. And we got a box. A boom microphone. Very nice. This wasn't mentioned in the well, on the eBay what I won, but I guess he threw me in this boom microphone. Happy instruction manuals. Gonna do this quickly. Wind protector. Boom mic. Movo. And a baggie to carry it in. Alright. I'm just trying to get through this quickly as I can. I'm so excited. But that's nice right there. Thank you. Over there. Down there. Bubble wrap. This out the way. And we got a nice another bag. Put that over there. The bag wasn't mentioned either, so he threw in this bag. Very nice. Nikon bag, yeah. Yeah, Nikon bag. Medium size. So, yeah, I'm trying to, we got thunderstorms coming in, so let me get through this. This first little zipper up here. Let's see if there's anything in here. Oh, you never know. Here's a wireless remote. For wireless remote. Taking a picture, holding the shutter open for an extended period of time and releasing the shutter for fireworks, lightning photos, stuff like that. That's great. That's all that's in that one. Looks like we got oh, there's a 4 gig SD card. I'm not going to be using that one, that's for sure. San Francisco map. In case I ever go to San Francisco, I guess. An e-ticket or something. Nothing he really needs. A light rail. I guess that's a tram and blah blah blah. 5 years of protection. So that'll come in handy for sure. Give me that. Oh, sticker. Drop the sticker. 1 second. Scientific angler sticker. Okay. I guess he was a fisherman. Same thing there. Same thing here. More paperwork. Airways. I guess he took a trip. Anyway, yeah. Let's go. That was all in that side pocket. So I'll stick that back there in the side pocket and open up the goodies. This is a real nice bag. Heavy duty construction. I'll go through that later. I know it's off camera probably. Oh, top zipper portion, little separator pad, eyepiece cover, two batteries, and they are 1500 amp hour batteries, so that's real good. I'll be charging those up tonight, getting ready for tomorrow, the 4th. So this is right back in here. Let's see. This, I believe, is the filter kit. It's got 3 filters. Nice little pouch. Getting through this kind of quickly. Filter. We have sort of cap thingy. Lens cap maybe. Here we got a Nikon charger. Another charger, I do believe is for the batteries I just showed you. So 2 chargers. I really got a good deal. A car charger. I don't know anybody who uses cigarette adapters these days. They ought to just come with USB ports. Alrighty, so let's get to the. Got a lens here and a nice Nikon carrier, and this one's got the lens hood on it here. This one's the 55 to 200. $55 to $200 Nikon. The kit lens, f4.5. And I do believe we gotta take the lens cap off. It is. Somehow. Alright. I'll figure that out. I'll figure that out later. Just trying to get through the rest of this. Right there. And camera itself. Happy. Nikon D3200. They said this is huge, but this camera is in great condition. There's no this is in yep, and this is the 18 to 55. Sorry guys, I'm really excited. I'm ready to 18 to 55 at f3.5. So next strap, and yeah, I'll be putting this camera to the test. Got any battery life? Go. There you go. So get all my settings in there, see what it's about. But there it is, guys. Nice, appreciate it. I am ready to start taking pictures again. I bought a domain name already. I got made my little press badge. Those are the copies. I'll be making, the lanyard. My business cards are going to be on the way. Check out www.donaldballphotography.com. That'll take you to my website from Shutterfly, and I'll leave links and descriptions down below for all that. I'm hearing thunder, so I'm happy, guys. I'm happy for sure. So I appreciate your views, your comments, and any suggestions. As always, stay focused out there, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.